Hey, say good morning. Say good morning. Say good morning. Huh? Say good morning. Huh? Tiga. Come on. Get up. Get up. Get up. Say good morning. Hey, say good morning. Good morning, everyone. Say like that again. Say. Okay, let's go. Come on. Let's go. Here. Good morning, guys. So today we are very excited because we're going to harvest our sweet potato. So this line here and also here. So what we're going to do first, we have to cut the vines out and then we can easily pull out the tubers. Oh, I cannot hold myself. Wow! I'm sorry, guys. I have to get this out first. Is it dry?
Yes.
Maybe later. Put here. Actually, we took 2 sweet potato yesterday, and we just cooked that one just this morning for our breakfast. The other variety, I'm not sure if is ready, but since we mix them all together, so whatever we can get, whatever size of sweet potato tubers we can get from the other variety, which is very slow to develop, that's fine, since the other variety is quite fast and we cannot allow them to rot beneath the ground. So next time around we have to separate these 2 varieties because this variety is very slow. This one is very slow. This variety, can you show in the camera? Yeah, it's very slow. It will take 4 months to 4 months to 5 months to be able to get good size of sweet potato. While this variety, in 2 months, you'll have good size of sweet potato tubers. It's really fast. So next time we have to separate them because the other one we cannot expect good sizes, so we have to wait more months since they are planted all together now. So we don't have any choice but to harvest all together. I think this area here is that variety which is very slow, so maybe we cannot harvest them now. uh, we'll investigate what's inside. If I think there's none, it's very slow. So maybe up until here. Yeah, up until here. And then the rest, we'll wait for another months. Yeah, it's still small for this variety. Yeah, look at that. They just developed. This variety is very slow. Yeah, it's very, very slow. Yeah, this variety I mentioned earlier, it will develop in another 3 months to wait. But this side, yeah, Some of the tubers starts to rot already. I think I need to this one. Yeah, still this variety I mentioned earlier. We've got only. What was that? So I'll have to use. I think we can. This variety, you have to expect good sizes. I mentioned to you already that.
Wow. Show it. Oh.
I think I can plant them back again here probably. We have to pulverize the soil again and let them breathe for a few days.
Tigger, come here.
What is that, boy? What is that you're complaining of? Huh?
There.
Yeah. At least the flesh inside is not affected yet with the what do you call that one? The kind of worm that creeps in and destroy the flesh.
Wow.
Oh, I did not see that coming. Yeah, you know what, friends? That's the beauty of having a garden. You'll enjoy the result or the harvest of your endeavor. You don't have that much to this side, but yeah, that will be good for two persons, you know. We can have more next time. So we have to move here. I'm sure we'll get a lot of sweet potatoes here. I would assume. I noticed some of the tubers here already a few weeks ago, and I would expect that today will be good size of sweet potato here. So we have to be careful. Yeah. Look at the plants here. It's quite big. See? So the vines are yeah, crawling somewhere. So we'll just put aside all those clippings, all those slips. And then I think at this far end I want you to show something here, guys. Look.
Wow.
Good size, right?
Mm.
Can you see me here? Yeah. There. That's our first sweet potato. To this area.
Yan.
Uh-huh.
Mm.
At least we've got beautiful sweet potato, quite pretty. We're sure that the inside flesh is not affected by the damage yet. So we have to store them in a cool and dry place so that the sweet potato can last for long period of time. Oh, I think this one is also big, huh? Mm-hmm. I think I'll have to refine the soil here more. Oh. Ah,
Wow.
gonna enjoy this. Look. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy that, man. This area alone. I don't know if we left something bigger. What is that? So, look at the texture. They need to be harvested today, right?
Mm.
All of them.
Yeah.
Because if we wait for more days, I think the
Mm.
tubers will start to rot. My mistake is that I mix the two varieties in which they will not go with the same time of harvest. The other one is very slow and
The other
this
one
variety is
fast.
quite fast, yeah. Wow, guys. I have numbers of sweet potato in my mind, but I'm not sure. Look at that. Still have long way to go there.
We need help.
Yeah, we still have long way to go there. And look at that sweet potato we got here. In this area alone. In this area alone. Look at that. And considering the fact that we still have long way to go there. And as I can remember, the soil is getting softer right there. Here, I did not expect that we will get like this. When I planted the sweet potato, I expect less, but we've got here. So how much more going there? We'll see. So, snip, snip, snip. Guys, look at that. I told ya. So, I think we can leave here. Look at that.
So nice. Oh, what is that?
It's a decomposer. Uh-huh. Look at that. Sweet potato. Uh-huh. The my helper here. My helper in the garden. My wife doesn't like my helpers in the garden. She's afraid of any kind of worm. Yeah. Woo! It's gonna be exciting, bro. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Mm-hmm. I think this area here, some of the sweet potato is damaged a little bit, but not this one, I'm sure. It's a beauty, right? It's a beauty. And much more, we've got this beauty. Ooh. And another one, like a stone sweet potato. So we still have long way to go there. So we'll be back later after we clean this area out. After we put aside all the sweet potato vines, and then once we clear this area, and then so we'll be back. So look at that, guys. As we promised, we have to clear this area, this line up to the end near the banana tree. So now we continue harvesting. Uh-huh. I think we left something here. Mm-hmm. Oh no. Uh-huh. That's a good size, man. That's a good size. And today is April 27, 2020. So amid the pandemic crisis, the COVID-19, but we've got our own plants right here, and we are no longer worried about what to eat because we have this sweet potato right here. Maybe I left something there, but I can review them. Wow, look at that. I never expect that the kind of video I watch in YouTube like this, like this form, that one day, like today, I also experience the same. Oh, it's a real blessing from God. You know what? When you do the hard work, when you push yourself to do the hard work and not be lazy, then you'll have the good outcome or result that you will get. But if you just sleep there doing nothing, then you will not expect something. What was that? Man, look at this. I could not expect with this small slip that we will get this big. Maybe just it's only one. There's another small. But anyway, when I planted the sweet potato, I never expect to have this kind of harvest. I just plant because I want mama to see that I already clean out this area and have something in it, but expecting like this harvest, oh, never. We planted sweet potatoes several times, but this is our first time to have this good harvest. And yeah, and please support our YouTube channel, guys, so that we could feature more videos from the garden. Marnie, look at this. It's good size as well. Ah, more. Perhaps next season I would just inform the people who live nearby. You can come and you can help harvesting sweet potatoes here. I'll plant more. I plant more sweet potato, and with this kind of variety, oh, look at the flesh. It's really good quality. Ah, yeah, this one. So I never expect that we'll have this good size here. I think due to the root system of the banana nearby, the sweet potato were not able to expand their tubers. But anyway, it's not bad.
Wow. Pakita mo.
Yeah, it's not bad. Uh, this is my first time that I really enjoy harvesting sweet potato.
Excuse.
Like this size, this width, around maybe less than 12 inches wide and around 6 inches thick. Because when I planted this sweet potato, I was in a hurry. I did not spend long time cultivating the soil, but the harvest is amazing. I don't deserve this harvest. Oh, the fact that no way. But anyway, the one that we crack, we have to cook them first. Much step on that at the back. Oh, there's a See?
It's like gold.
How many minutes?
8.
8. So I think we can
Make it
move
10.
farther here. I think this is still the same variety. But that far in there, I planted another variety connected to this location. So, huh? We can move until here. And I'm sure here is pretty big sweet potato. Yeah, I know that. Yeah.
Wait.
Right. Actually, it's my wife behind the camera. I could not do the filming here. Oh, it's a helper. It's my helper in the garden. And they're helping the soil become fertile. Maybe you might be asking about the mixing. This particular soil, it's a bamboo plants burned mixed with coconut coir, and then yeah, we bought this one outside. It's 20 baht per bag. 20 baht per bag. And then it's less than 50 cents in dollars per bag. And we also mix with chicken's manure. This one. Chicken manure. And also the kind of soil that we have here is sandy. Can you see that one? Sandy. Sweet potato or potatoes really like sandy soil. They can spread out their root system and can easily develop their tubers beneath. So we'll move to this area. Look at that. And I'm pretty sure the vines are still developing roots there. If we will not take them out, they will develop more sweet potato with the vines right here. Yeah, you'll. Yeah, it's more wow here. Whew, it's really amazing harvest. Wow. I hope this sweet potato harvest we have today, guys, will make your day happy and contented despite of the kind of crisis we are experiencing right now all throughout the world. But at least there are parts of our life that we'll be able to find happiness, even in small ways, like this one. Oh, really? I thought it was a snail. And then I think we will have more here.
Wait.
Deep down. Of course, you help me, mommy, here, fixing this stuff later on when the sun goes down. Now it's still hot. We're in the middle of, I think, mid of the day,
noon.
right?
12 noon, I think.
So we'll stop until here.
Yeah.
Actually, my mother loves to do this stuff, harvesting. But since of the COVID-19 crisis, so she cannot come with us right now. And if we will wait for more days, the sweet potato might rot beneath the ground. So it's not a good idea to wait for her. But
We'll
when she
send
arrives
some.
home,
Or we will send some.
what she will get are these sweet potatoes, because we will store this one until she'll be able to arrive here, and she will get some. Ah, look at that.
Oh,
Yeah,
rotten.
exactly.
Oh no.
So my wife is exactly
Right.
perfect. Right. Absolutely right. With her decision yesterday that we have to dig the sweet potato today. Cause
If not,
look at that. Some of the good guys here starts rotting, and yeah, it's kind of ugly, you know. You will not enjoy your hard work. So at least.
if you guys want some potato, you can come here.
Ah, this variety is the Japanese sweet potato. It's really hard to grow this one, and it's slow to develop, but we have a good size here. I'm sorry guys, this variety that we've got a lot today, I don't know the name of the variety. Just comment below after we uploaded this in YouTube if you know the variety of this. It's orange, the inside flesh, and then the skin is like orange too. I think this is the Japanese.
Yeah.
Yeah, we cannot expect something there. That's my bad. That's my fault. I mixed the two varieties in which they will not develop the same time. So next time around, I'll have to separate them.
Ah, that's Japanese.
Yeah, you're right. And we've got a little bit here. Yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh.
Yeah, that one.
Uh-huh. I think it's Japanese, right? Yeah, it's Japanese. But still small. Oh guys, I already cut the vine. So whatever we have here, that's the final one. Then we will have our luck next time around. I'm pretty sure it's Japanese here. Yeah, it's sweet. It's Japanese sweet potato. Yeah, they're still developing. They're not that fast. I've got a snail here. A snail. I think until here. Yeah, like that.
So, ito yung mga na-harvest namin. From there.
We'll have another video once we put them all together.
Until
Ilang minuto na ba yun?
17, 18.
Haba na. Okay. Cut.
เยอะแยะเลย
Okay. I told you, you have to bring a
big container
big bucket.
big bucket
I think we can scale this one later on.
yeah how many kilos
I really enjoy. I'm shocked. This harvest. Yeah, actually, I never expect to have this.
yes
Lots of sweet potato. Because I was thinking maybe YouTubers. Yeah.
Pakita mo mukha mo.
I'm sweating, guys. We're under the scorching heat of the sun while we do the harvest of this sweet potato today. But we quite enjoy our stuff here. Might leave some, but I'll get back next day. Woo.
Oh,
Wow.
it's a lot.
In Thai, yeah.
เยอะแยะเลย I'll give some to Ate Shirley.
Yeah. Show her the video.
Yes.
Why? It's really hot. But regardless of the scorching heat of the sun, I don't care. Yeah. Enjoying the harvest here. Okay, go.
Ano po?
Where?
Ay.
Alright. Oh yeah, it's okay. Go.
Put it there. Kaya kuna natin.
Bring this. So, guys, as the Bible says, you will reap what you sow. So, like this one. You will not appreciate your planting, your hard work at first. But during the time of harvest, you will exactly reminisce the days back when you are planting whatever vegetables you have or crops in the garden. I'm really tired, but satisfied.
Hindi, hingi ako ng ginamos kay ate. Ubus yan.
Ay, wait lang. Baka makalimutan.
Ginamos.
Oo.
May magdi ka mag-allergic.
Hindi lang, good dad. Gamay lang man. Ano? Allergy ka sa ginamos? Allergy ko sa isda.
Lagi ka ng
Fish.